Hello guys, in this video I want to teach you how you can make a post request to a server using Axios. And for this purpose I start my backend server first. So where's the backend server? Here it's npm run start. Now I start my backend server. Server is running, and now I start my database. So that's a MongoDB database, and I've put the command here so I don't forget it. So I start my database. Okay, it somehow started, and it's listening for connections, and maybe I also establish a connection to that MongoDB database. The command would be Mongo shell. I have the Mongo shell, and I can connect to the database server I just started, and it has opened the test database. Here I can show the collections that I've already created. It's only users, and I can see what's in there. So there's me in there, Florian, and my email and my password. Okay, and role is user. Okay, role is user, and what is possible already, I know that, is that I can make a post request to the server I just started and insert a new user. Well, I've programmed this here somewhere. It's here's routes. Okay, routes, and here I have this URL, or this route API user, and it calls the function create user, which I've programmed in user controller, and this okay, takes the request body and always sets the role to user, and creates that user in the database and returns it as a JSON. And okay, let's try it whether it still works. So maybe I insert my dad into the database. So his email would be this. Okay, he's always creative with his passwords, so he doesn't know them anymore after he's created somewhere an account. And I make a post to this URL. Okay, I say send. Okay, and I get the response. Yes, the response, you see it here. It returns this user as a JSON. Okay, this is what I expected, and let's see here whether it's inserted into the database. Database users find. Yes, now it's me who's in the database, and it's also my dad. Okay, so that works, and now I want to try whether I can do the same with Axios. So I have here, yes, googled Axios TypeScript, how to use Axios with TypeScript, a beginner's guide. And here's an example for a post request. And I just copy this. Copy. And make a new file. Let's say Axios test. TS. And copy all this code here. And now I need to be able to run this. So I add here a target, Axios test, and okay, just as Mongo test connect, ts node, and which file do I want to run? It's called the file I just created, Axios test ts. Okay, that should run the file, and let's see what I need to change in this file. Yes, the base URL. It's another base URL. The base URL is where my server is running. Where's my server running? Ah, okay. Here I can use this. That's a base URL, localhost and port 8080, like I did with the Postman. Okay, that's my base URL. I need to update it. Or was there? Ah, okay. Without the trailing backslash. And then I have here, yeah, an extension to this URL, and it would be API user. Yes, I should create a new user and put it here. And okay, now the data as a JSON, I think. Data as a JSON. So I copy this here, what I have. But I think I just need the name and the email and maybe the password. And just need name, email, and password, I think. So I copied it here. Okay, name, email, password. Name is, and email and password. Okay, let's leave the password with ABC, but let's insert someone else. So my sister. Okay. I don't know her email. Sonja Ingal at gmail.com. She's not called Ingal anymore because she has married. But all the same, now let's see whether this user can be inserted that way. So I open a new terminal and say npm. How did I call this target? npm run, and then it's Axios test. Run it. Oh, that's 201 undefined. So this Axios didn't work. So I will figure it out, and you will see the continuation of this video in another video. Goodbye.